I need to get a trim because look at this side one, and also I have the worst migraine ever. Hey guys. So I've already made a video on types of fake/toxic friends, and I believe a part 2 was definitely called for, and God knows how many more because people are cruel. So let's get on with the video. Number 1, the sneerful scout. This friend manages sometimes to make you wish you were dead. If your self-esteem were a milkshake, no boy would come to the yard because this friend already sucked it right out of you. Every chance they get, they make fun of your clothing, your mannerisms, maybe even keep correcting your grammar. I mean, we all poke fun at our friends from time to time, but that's okay when it's between the two of you. If you're doing it constantly and with a room full of people, you're a sneerful scout. I'm not sure I understand why they think it's okay to humiliate someone they call a friend just so they come out looking like the shining star, and then have the audacity to get mad at you or say that you can't take a joke if you get offended. But these kinds of friends should be the first ones to go, and like my lady Ariana Grande would say, thank you next. Number 2, the green-eyed monster. These friends are dangerous to have around. Why, you ask? Because it seems like they care about you, it seems like they enjoy your company, but secretly they cannot stand you. And when you finally find out how they actually feel about you, you come to realize that there's no solid reason for them not liking you. Nothing to do with your personality. They're just extremely jealous of you. They're jealous of your success, your family, the companionship you have with your other friends, the kind of stuff you own. It's not that they cannot stand you per se, but just that they cannot stand to see you happy. And although they feel this way about you, they still continue to be your friend and pretend to like you, and this is obviously a streak from their own insecurities. And while you shouldn't let a friend's insecurities define them as a person, if it makes them pretentious, two-faced and disrespectful, it's not worth it. Don't be an envious Elmo kid. By the way, if you're wondering what green-eyed monster means, it's obviously derived from green-eyed monster, which is an envious person, but I replaced monster with monster, which is a type of cheese, because these people are very secretive and cheesy about how jealous they are. I'm not very good with names. Number 3 is the cry birdie. See, I told you I'm not good with names. So if you ask my friends how I am as a person, they'd say that I can be very emotional and sensitive. But there are some people in this world who even make me look like an insensitive prick. If you have any such person as a friend, you know how overly sensitive they are that it makes you want to rip out your hair and stuff their mouths just so they'll shut up. They always seem upset. They need to be dating someone at all times and be validated, and they constantly whine and rant about their issues, which by the way have so many loopholes. They want to vent, but they're not going to stop to ask how you're doing. They want to vent, but they won't take a single advice from you. Although it may seem like they're taking advice, but you know they're going to go ahead and do whatever the hell they want. And their issues are mostly trivial, like first world problems. You always feel like you're walking on eggshells around them because the moment you say something they don't want to hear, they'll either start bawling or call you a sucky friend. You don't need to be at someone's beck and call all the time, okay? Not all the time. It's draining. Number 4 is the conceited deceit. In this day and age, you cannot get away with bullying like you could a decade ago, so entitled people have found new, fancier ways to bring others down. If you know someone who seems polite and humble, but they tend to brag or flex too much about their looks, career, or even their partner, and you always ignore those advances and give them the benefit of the doubt, I'm telling you, they're not gonna stop. I learned the hard way that they don't just look for instances to boast about their assets every chance they get, but they also give remarks on how you sadly don't have what they have. But they're so smooth and subtle about it that you don't even realize that this person that you call a friend secretly judges you inexplicably and looks down on you. Hey, so are you currently seeing anyone? Not really, I'm just focusing on my career now. I don't want to start dating anytime soon. Oh, that's so sad. It's okay, you'll find someone, don't worry. But I'm not seeking anyone out. It's okay, Pim, don't feel ashamed of this. You will find someone. You see what I mean? I kind of exaggerated my tone, but these people are such pros at this that in real life it's gonna be very hard to detect it. They suck, man. And number 5 is the asinine assessor. This friend believes they're a prophet, okay? They have decided that they know what's best for themselves and everybody else. As a result of that, they keep judging, disapproving, and picking on every step you take in life. The career path you chose for yourself, it sucks. Your partner, they're a piece of shit. Your taste in materialistic things, disgusting. They genuinely believe that it's either their way or the highway. They reject the notion of agreeing to disagree. They cannot live with the fact that it's okay to have difference of opinions, because if you don't agree with them, you're stupid. What can I tell you? You're not my real mother. Yes, in some ways they are pretty similar to the concealer Deceit, but unlike the former ones, these guys are very obvious about how toxic they are. So would you please cut them out of your life before you become a shell of a human being? Good. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can think of a few more examples, so let me know if you want a part 3. And I know the whole vibe of the video seemed pretty negative, but at least you learned something. And if you watched this far, comment Monster Cheese. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.